welcome back to my channel. Anyways, so welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show y'all how I put on my wig, because honestly, if y'all see what's under this bonnet right now, y'all will be terrified. I'm so fed up with my hair right now. Like,
she's funny.
Yeah, so today we're gonna do my hair because whatever was going on under this bonnet is just not cute. Today I'm gonna put on my wig. She's over here. I'm contemplating if I should take my bonnet off and show y'all what's under her. No, I'm not gonna show y'all. I have my cap right here. I'm just gonna put that on really quick and I'm gonna show y'all what I do after that because, yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I put my hair in a little ponytail bun thing in the back so it could kind of lay flat. There's two ways to do the ball cap method. There's the one where you glue it and then you cut it. But I used to do that method, but now I think I like this method better where I just don't cut it off. I just push it back. Yo, but not laugh at me. I know my forehead big. But oh my gosh. You already know my forehead is big, so once I get this cap back, so now we gonna need to make this cap undetectable. So let me show you how y'all do that. Okay, so to do this, you're gonna wanna like get a color that either matches your skin tone perfectly or a color that is a little bit darker than your skin. Anyways, I use the color Boardwalk. So I'm back. I just colored it really quick and as y'all can see, it's a little bit darker than my skin. So now it's the wig time and it's time to glue it. I use a Got To Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray. And then I use this too, the styling gel, because it's clear and it doesn't like leave the front of my hair like white. Like fix it to how my head fits. Fix it to how comfortable. What? I'm gonna turn the AC. It's hot. Okay, so yeah, I'm back. So now I'm just gonna fix it to where it's comfortable on my head. I'm so happy school is like done. Like, I'm done, bro. I'm done. Like, school ends on Thursday and today's Tuesday. Like, when I tell y'all school has been stressing me out, like, I promise you I've never been this stressed in my life. I know a bunch of y'all are stressed out too because ain't no way. I don't know how I survived this school year. Honestly, I felt like I was just about to lose it. Especially the start of the year, y'all. I was getting it. I was like, bro, how do they expect me to be doing school online? Like, what are you talking about? Now that I got used to it, I'm a boss at online school, but guess what? Now it's another problem because next year we gotta go into the classroom. And now I'm gonna have to readapt to that. Like the other day when I went to school for testing, I was like, what am I even talking about? Anyway, I'm there trying to do some work in class and I'm like, I sat there for like hours. Like I literally could not get any work done. I was not used to no school setting anymore. Like I was just like, I wanna go home. I used to do that. I used to go to school and actually do work. I forgot how to do school. I forgot to do work at school. I forgot how to do work at school. With online school, I do my homework at night because that's when I finish most of my work. So I begin all my work done at night. So how am I going to do that next year when I have to go into the classroom in front of these teachers and in front of all these children? I don't know. Stressing me out. I adjusted the wig to my liking. Now I'm gonna use the Got To Be. What do I use this? First things first. I use this Got To Be Blue. I either use this black one or the yellow one. I have it in my thing, but I think I'm gonna use this one today. Before y'all do any gluing, oh my gosh, I'm so bad at this. Get y'all some alcohol and a couple cotton balls, okay? So I don't know what percent y'all are specifically supposed to use. I just use whatever's in my house. I take a little bit of alcohol and cotton ball, and then I just like rub it right on like the edge where I'm planning. I put a little bit of alcohol where I'm planning to glue my lace down. Let that dry really quick. So basically, I'm planning on getting a camera. A YouTuber uses the G7X Mark II or Mark I, something like that. It looks like a nice camera, but I was like, that $630 price ain't gonna work right now, babes. Anyways, so I was doing some research and I found the camera. It's still a Canon camera, really nice. It's literally just like the GX. GX7 is a little bit better than the SX740. So I was like, let me just get the SX740. SX is like, has a lower price, $200 less than the GX. So I was like, it's basically the same camera. The only difference is like quality and stuff like that. So I was like, all right, I might as well just get the $400 one. But I'm planning on getting a camera soon. So after a while, your videos take up so much space on your phone and you don't have any storage left. So I'd rather just get a camera where that is like specified for YouTube and all my stuff like that. I edit on my laptop down there, so like I don't have to put it on my phone. So let me stop talking. All right, so basically after you do the alcohol, I use this and I kind of just put it in a specific spot first. Like I do like the front first and then I do like the two sides. So now I spray the got to be on wherever the glue is.
I'm about to drag you by your leg. I got arms and you look like that.
So after you do that, you're gonna wanna not me having a missing nail. So once you do that, you're gonna wanna blow dry the glue until it gets like tacky, and then you're gonna wanna put it down. I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, so I blow dried and it's now tacky. So okay, so what I did was kind of pull it down to where the glue is. Okay, so now that I got it where the glue is, I'm kind of like pressing it down with the edge of this. I'll be back with y'all when I finish gluing down the place. Finished gluing down my wig. So if y'all hear noise in the background, it's because my teacher. Now I'm just gonna use my tie thingy. I don't know what y'all want to call this, but I use it to tie down the front part of the hair so it can like melt into my scalp. So I'm just gonna tie it down. Put the back up because but I turned it down a little bit. Anyways, so I tied it down and I'm gonna leave it. I usually do it for like 10 to 20 minutes. This is when I start styling the hair. I'm gonna show you how I style it. And I forgot to give y'all the deets about this hair. I got it from AliExpress. I think the vendor was like Moda or something. This is not sponsored. Okay, it's a 20-inch hair, but the hair is good, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I forgot what I was saying. My little sister just came in because she just woke up. So I'm gonna plug in the straightener now. No, I think I'm gonna do a middle part today. Okay, y'all, so I kind of got the part together-ish. I'm gonna like clean it up more. Okay, y'all, so my hot iron is pretty hot now. Plug this hot iron up, I'm gonna get the part together, and I'm gonna come back. Anyways, it's hot, so I'm gonna start fixing my part. But besides the fact that I'm about to start doing my hair, look at my skin. It can get a little hotter though. It's not. It's like warm. I promise y'all, the end result is gonna look so good. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is a body wave wig, and it's also a 13x4 transparent lace. So, yeah. Anyways, so I think I'm gonna take this tie thingy off now because first of all, it's cutting off my hair circulation. Second of all, because it's been long enough. So as y'all can see, it's getting very much scalp. Okay, so you'll see how it's kind of a little bit light in these areas. I'm gonna go back into that same color I used for my ball cap, and I'm just gonna like put them on the lace. Okay, so now it looks a bit better. I don't know if y'all see, but look, I got little like sidelines here, so I can do this and it still looks kind of like my hair. Okay, so I officially finished the lace part of the hair. Just like do my edges and stuff. But before I do my edges, I like to style the wig first. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna just take a break really quick. And I'm gonna go make me some breakfast, and then I'll be back to actually like style it. So
6.5 hours later.
okay, y'all, so I'm back. As y'all can see, I look completely different. It's like a couple hours later. It's now 1:01 p.m. Last time I stopped recording was I think at like 10. I was supposed to go make breakfast and then come back, and then yeah, I didn't do that. So all I did was make breakfast. I cleaned up the house a little bit, and then I showered and did my makeup. So I did my edges off camera. All right, so I'm gonna put this side up while I do the other side. Okay. What can I talk about? Okay, so I'm about to join my last period class, but I don't think she has a meeting today. I'm not complaining though. I'm so tired of myself, y'all. I like flip it over and then I just do it. Period. You can see y'all get a little bounce. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do that with my whole head, and I'm gonna come back. This side, and then I'm gonna do this side, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all and I'm gonna brush it out and show y'all the finished product. So I'm done curling my hair now. I just finished this side. So now what I do is I brush it out. This is what I do to my wig. And I like that curtain effect. Y'all see it? Okay, y'all, so I finally played around with it a little bit, and I think I like it like this. So with that being said, to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, just to see how, you know, I do my wigs and stuff like that, and I love it like this. It's so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. Intro.
Hit the bell.
Oh, and hit the bell. Subscribe, and I hope you guys come back for more. Yeah, all right. Bye. See you guys next one.